Welcome. This is the review of bloody B865N keyboard, mechanical keyboard with lightning strike mechanical switches. As you can see, I have also using B975, and my brother recently bought this new B865N. The main difference between these two keyboard is the lower model one B865, and I think all the rest of the bloody mechanical switches have this normal light strike switches, which they say LK light strike optical switch, and this B975 have LK Libra switches, which have, I don't know what do they mean by prism lens, but they have written in the back what they mean by stabilized shaft. This is the main difference between the normal LK and LK Libra, is of a stabilized shaft. I will show you later in the video. And at the back of the boxes you could read the details about the switch. LK Libra switch have a larger travel distance. The normal switch have 3 millimeter, and this one Libra switch have 3.5 millimeter. There's the difference in the specs only, and here they have written what the stabilizing bar means. It gives a premium and uniform key feel and calculated shallow stroke increase, like every key will have the same feeling, and the rest of the things is similar. So let's open the box and look at the keyboard itself. So here, this is B975, which I have put to green light. This have the Libra switches, and this is the cheaper model B865N, and this is the normal LK switches. And you can see the difference. This is not that deep, and this goes deep, and you can just feel the force. Just give it a force, it gives you back and stops you. So you need, like, it cushions your strikes. When you press the button, it cushions it, so it's better for your fingers muscles. And this seems a little cheap and very, I could say, a less premium. These switches have a more premium feel. And if we just pull them out, you could see. Let me close the light. Oh, what's the problem with the light? You can see this is the Libra switch. It has this metal thing which provides stabilizing effect and gives a premium feel. And this is the normal switch. They are both of the clicky variant, so you could hear the clicks, and the other type that they come in is the quiet one, in which they don't make this type of noise. Let's open the light. So it has many lighting effects, and you could also program it with the software that comes with it. I hope you like the review, and please let me know if you want to know about anything else.